Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm going to be bringing you the September Petit Vour box unboxing and also my first impressions on these products. I will also be doing at the end of this video a review of the August Petit Vour box where I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on those products after using them for a month. In case you're not familiar with Petit Vour is a cruelty-free and vegan subscription box. There are products ranging from hair care, skincare, body care to makeup. All the products are vegan and cruelty-free, and they are also non-toxic as well. I am an affiliate with Petit Vour, which means that they send me the box every month. And even though I am sent the box, I give you guys my honest views on the box. I tell you when I like something, I tell you when I don't. Being an affiliate means that I have a discount. So if you'd like to sign up, you can use the code NBG25 to get 25% off your first month's box if you sign up for a 3-month subscription. And one of the things I really like about Petit Vour is it is one of the more affordable subscription boxes, and I think the products you get in this box are really great, and you also are not paying a ton for the products as well. I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into this month's box. So I always like to apply any makeup products we get in the box, so this month we do have a makeup product. And this is from Jane Iredale. So Jane Iredale is now being carried on the Petit Vour shop. And we received the Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm. And this is a tinted lip balm, and I have the shade Crush, which is this kind of cool purpley pink shade, and this is SPF 15. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I don't have anything on my lips, and we can see what it looks like. So this lip balm applied really nicely. It is a very hydrating lip balm. It also is lemon scented, which is kind of cool. I love citrus. I'm from Florida, so I have an undying love of citrus. And I really appreciate that this has a citrus scent just because it's something different. It's not your traditional sweet or floral or peppermint. It's a different type of scent. It did give a little bit of tint, obviously not as much as a full-blown lipstick, but it is a lip balm, so you know, we have to set our expectations for the type of product that it is. Personally, I prefer something with a little bit more pigment for myself just because I don't have a lot of color on my lips, but I was actually surprised by how much pigment this balm did deposit on my lips. So my lips do have some nice color to them. I also really like that it does have SPF 15, so it's really perfect if you want to just throw this on your lips if you are, for instance, going on a hike or going to the beach or just spending time outside, or this is perfect to just throw in your purse if you're running around town. So I do like this. I like it more than I thought it would. Like I said, I didn't think it would give me this much color, but it did, and this shade Crush is quite a pretty color. I definitely like it. I know this is kind of crazy, but I've not tried out many Jane Iredale products. In fact, I've been thinking about maybe doing a Jane Iredale brand overview. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're interested in seeing that. They just came out with a new liquid foundation that I'm really curious about, to be honest. Let me know. Are you guys interested in seeing that? Would you like to see me trying out products from this brand? Yeah, I really like this, and the value of this lip balm is $17. The next product we got in this box, I believe, is new, or at least I haven't seen it around before, and this is from Lauren B. Beauty, and this is the Nail Growth Serum. And I have not tried this out because, as you can see, I have my nails painted. I've had some questions about this. I do go and get my nails painted. Now that I'm living in Boston, there's a nail salon that is pretty clean with their ingredients. It's called Mini Lux, in case you are in the Boston area. Also, I believe they have locations in Texas and I think a couple in California as well. They are the only nail salon I will go to because they use cleaner ingredients in their nail polish. No nail polish is completely non-toxic, but I believe they are 8-free in their nail polish formula. Also, they are very, very proactive about having very sanitary tools and just keeping everything as clean as possible in terms of sanitation, which is a huge concern of mine as well. So I will go to Mini Lux and get my nails done. So that being said, my nails were already painted when I received this product, so I have not tried it out. And I also think I'm going to pass on trying this because I would really like to give this to my mom, because I actually have nails that are extremely strong and they grow really fast. So honestly, I really don't need a nail growth serum. I honestly don't want my nails to grow any faster than they do. I have to cut them weekly. Otherwise, they get completely too long, out of control. And so I really actually don't want to encourage any more growth. Like, it's enough without any help. So I would like to pass this on to her because she has very brittle nails, and I feel like she would have a much better benefit from this product and actually be able to tell if it's making a difference or not. So I'm going to pass this on to her. I will let you guys know what she thinks of it. But this nail growth serum is valued at $75. Yes, you heard me, $75. So this box may be one of the best deals we've ever had, at least in the time I've been receiving Petit Vour boxes, which has been, I think it'll actually be 3 years in February that I've either been purchasing the box or been an affiliate receiving the box. So that's kind of crazy. So this is really impressive, a great deal, and I'm really excited to see this product in the box because, especially for that price point, I don't think it's something that most people would go out and purchase on their own. So it's really nice that in this box, you guys are all going to get to try it. So super exciting, super cool product. In case you aren't familiar with Lauren B Beauty, they are a nail, nail care brand. They have nail polishes, cuticle oils, all types of products like that. And I've really enjoyed their nail polishes, and I've also tried their cuticle oil and really like that as well. So I have very high hopes for this, and I think it's a cool product. Like, I'm glad someone came out with a nail growth serum. It's not something I need, but it's definitely something that many people struggle with. The last two products in this box both smell really good, by the way. So this here is the Moon Rivers Peppermint Lava Salt. It's a hand and body soap, essentially. I've not heard of this brand before. This is a sample size and it's valued at $5. It is in a glass container. I looked on the Petit Vour site and the full size does come with a pump, because that was the first thing I noticed about this, was that it would be really hard to dispense this because you just would pour it straight out of here. So luckily the full size does come with a pump. But what got me about this product is it smells so good. This is probably the best smelling soap I've ever encountered. Granted, I love peppermint and I love lavender. Like, those are two of my favorite scents. And they got rolled into one product. So this is basically my perfect product. I'm completely in love with the scent of this. I did try this out. It wasn't the most soapy soap. Like, it didn't suds up quite as much as I had hoped. But honestly, the scent of this is so good that I, with one use, was already looking to see if Petit Vour had a full size. And yeah, you're very likely going to be seeing me purchase a full size of this, just because the scent of this is so amazing. So why it's black is it does contain lava salt, and it also has activated charcoal as well. I'm so excited we got this, and yeah, I love the scent of it. My husband loves the scent of it. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. And then the last product we got in this one's box is from the Seaweed Company, and this is the Firming Detox Cream with green coffee bean extract. Basically, this is a body lotion that's supposed to be a bit firming. This is the Awaken scent, so it's a rosemary and mint scent. Also, this smells so good. Like, this box, the scents of things in this box are just on point. So this obviously smells like rosemary and mint, which I love both of those scents. It works super well in a lotion. I have tried this out. It does sink in really well. That's one of my major complaints with body lotions in general, is whether they absorb in or I have to keep rubbing. This one absorbed in super easily. I'm excited to try this out some more. I didn't necessarily notice on a first use whether it's firming or not. I always am a little skeptical of these kind of body creams that say they're firming. I don't know how much they can actually do, but I did really like this. It was nice and hydrating. It left my skin feeling very soft, very moisturized. So I'm looking forward to trying this out some more. I've heard very, very good things about the Seaweed Company. I just haven't gotten around to trying it before. And of course, this is a sample size and it is valued at $4. So normally I just calculate the value of the month's box in my head. I'm pretty good at math, at least I like to think so. But this one, when I crunched the numbers, was so high I had to actually check it on my phone. So the value of this month's box is $101, which is insane. Like, this is by far the highest value we've ever had in a Petit Vour box, and I'm super excited about it. So if you wanted to sign up for the Petit Vour box, this is a really good month to do it. It's a really high value, and you know, if you sign up for the subscription, this box is $18, but you get a value of 101, which is crazy. So definitely happy with this month's box. I think it's a really solid one, and some really great products in it that I'm looking forward to using and trying out some more. And now to move on to my review of the August box. I did do a giveaway of the July box. If you saw my August Petit Vour box video, you will see that I ended up with 2 July boxes. It's a long story. I did go ahead and pick the giveaway winner, and the products in the box have been shipped to her, so that is all good. Everything is all settled there. In the August Petit Vour box, one of the products we received is the Pa Aki cleansing cream from Hanua Skincare. And as the name would suggest, this is a creamy cleanser, but I really have enjoyed using this in the morning. I find it to be very gentle on my skin. Even though I have oily, acne-prone skin, I really like cleansers that are not stripping or overly drying. So I really have been enjoying this. I use it in the morning when I don't really need to remove makeup. I just want to rinse any oils that I've accumulated over the night off my skin. Yeah, so I have been really impressed by Hanua Skincare. Before, I've tried out their Moana mask and also their Malu Day Cream, and I love both of those, so I was not surprised that I also really like this. So solid product. I am going to definitely be continuing to use this. We received this perfume. I believe mine is in the scent Envie d'Azur. I really have not used this. I did not like the scent when I first smelled it, and so I haven't used it. I honestly don't use perfumes that much. I've never been a huge perfume lover, and I just really haven't gotten into them. So haven't used this, just not my favorite scent. Also in the August box, we have one of my all-time favorite products, and this was the Blemish Clearing Serum. I hope that if you guys got it in the August box that you have been enjoying using it. Obviously, it takes a while for your skin to acclimate to new skincare products, especially ones like this that have salicylic acid that are really going to pull impurities out of your skin. You're typically going to go through a period where your skin gets worse, you have more breakouts before it gets better. But this is one of my all-time favorite products. It really has made a huge difference in my skin. Though granted, I have some breakouts right now, and those are from the fact that I am trying out some other skincare products and I've not been using this. So my face right now does not reflect this product. It is one of my favorite products. If you did not get the August box and you have acne-prone skin, I highly recommend you purchasing this and trying it. It really, really, really is fantastic. And obviously, I'm still loving it. I'm still sharing it with you guys. So yeah, this is one of my all-time favorite products. I'm glad that you guys also had the opportunity to try it out. So we also received Derma E Essentials Radiance Toner. I didn't get to use this quite as much because we were traveling throughout the month and I just didn't want to bring this with me. It was an extra step in my routine, and you know, you have limited space in your liquids bag. But when I did use this, I really liked it. I didn't find it drying or stripping. It's a really great step in your skincare routine. I like toners for when I feel like I maybe didn't quite get all my makeup removed. It's another extra step to add in at night, just to make sure that all the makeup's off my face and my face is really clean and ready for my skincare. So I have really enjoyed this. I asked in my last video if you wanted me to try out more Derma E products, and I did do a huge purchase over Labor Day. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that in my stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. My handle's at naturallybeautifulgirl. So if you're curious to find out more about Derma E skincare, I'm going to be doing a video all about that in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But I did really like this, and I'm excited to try out more from Derma E. The final product we got in the August Petit Vour box is from Harvest, and this is their mascara, and it made it into my August monthly favorites. I'm wearing it right now, and I absolutely love it. It's everything you could ask for in a mascara. It gives me a lot of length, it gives me a lot of volume, it doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge. Like, it is just a really good mascara. I was honestly not expecting that much on this mascara, especially because I hadn't heard of the brand before, but it really has risen to be one of my favorites. It reminds me a lot of the Root 100% Lash, but with less smudging. So it's a really, really solid mascara. If you are at all curious about it, I would highly recommend checking it out. I'm really glad that we received this in a box, because otherwise I honestly wouldn't have tried it probably, or really come across the brand. So I'm glad that they're being sold at Petit Vour and I had the chance to try it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any non-toxic, cruelty-free beauty content. And also check out my Instagram as well. Like I said, my handle's at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!